Hey, what is the best social media platform to get organic traffic and customers in 2022? Hi, my name is Regitze. I share these little videos around business, money, and mindset every day. So if you like content like this, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. But let's dive into it. What is the best social media platform to get organic traffic and customers in 2022? And by organic traffic, I mean getting people to your website or your social media platform and getting sales without paying for any ads. And according to Neil Patel, one of the world's best marketers, he says that it's not enough to be on just one social media platform. In 2022, we really have to be on many of them, if not all of them. But the good thing about it is that you don't have to create more content. You can usually use the same content and just share it everywhere. Like I'm using these little videos and share them everywhere or almost everywhere on YouTube and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Pinterest. So comment below what is your strategy, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Take care. Bye.